Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the exact video you want to convert. Make sure you have permission to use that content. Once chosen, copy the full URL. This is the address the converter needs. Next, open a reputable YouTube to MP3 converter and verify the page uses HTTPS. Now paste the URL into the converter's input field and press the Convert or Analyze button. This starts the extraction process and prepares the audio for the next steps. Once the URL is analyzed, choose MP3 and select your desired bitrate. Higher kbps gives better audio but larger files. If available, use trim or normalize to remove silence or balance levels. Add metadata like artist and title for easier library sorting. Then start the conversion. The server will render the audio file, which can take seconds to minutes depending on length. Make sure to ignore pop-up ads and do not grant downloads from unknown prompts. Stick to the converter's official download button. After conversion, click the official download MP3 button and save the file in a labeled folder so you can find it later. Play the file immediately to confirm bitrate, length, and audio quality. Check for clipping or missing sections. Then move it into your media library, add tags, and backup copies if needed. If the file fails to download or is corrupted, retry conversion with a different bitrate, try an alternate trusted converter, or clear browser cache and repeat. That usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.